so they exiled me to the forest. But I mean, luckily I chose the bear over the man, so there really is no big issue. I think from this you can see that there is so much more that exists beyond the material world. So much beauty in nature. So there's many reasons why I'd choose the bear over the man. But my reasoning had to do with, I guess, societal norms. Because if you murdered a bear, everyone would consider you to be a hunter. But if you murdered a man, you would just go to jail. So at least the bear, they're just trying to survive. So if you look like a whole meal, which I do at the moment, then they'll come after you. The men, on the other hand, it's like they don't need you for anything, unless they're boys, but then I guess you would have to change the title of boy or man. I mean, boy or bear in the jungle, and then we have the Jungle Book. But in that case, it's like, the only thing a boy would need you for I guess men see it as predator-prey situation. It's like the bear needs you for food. What does the man need you for, huh? Absolutely nothing. If he actually is a man, if he's a boy, he probably needs you for chores and laundry and all of that random stuff. All because of his own incompetence. So the options would be boy or bear in the forest. finally made it to the falls, but I have no idea how I'm gonna get over to sit on that rock. I know I've been over there before, and the last time I was here was actually with my ex, but I thought it was with my family, which it was like my senior year. Then I remembered I went with my ex. And honestly, I forgot, so. Belong to us, or we belong to the world. I had to reconnect with nature and go all the way here just because murder is wrong. That says a lot. I isolate a lot because when everyone needs me, I need myself. Is isolation really that daunting? I mean, I feel like I do so many things alone, so I just decided to do this on a random Tuesday. I'm really giving unemployed friends. It seems that the risk was worth the reward. Also, I kind of wonder what life would be if I wasn't so controversial. Probably be peaceful like this. I mean, but look, sushi socks. To jump right now and just end it, but you know, I fight the urge to not get canceled every day, and I'm really fighting the urge to just go into this really swampy looking water. I mean, it looks clear over there, but I mean, look over here, bro. Okay, but why is it kind of giving perfume ad commercial? You know, and then I would say something like, life is hard, but I'm harder. Wait, pause. truly lost, or are you looking to be found?